Working on fractional number, how about from the 10 over 2 here, oh sorry, here is 10 over 3. How can I factorizing this number become to the new form with the factor of 2? In the last video, you already learned about the form of maybe 5 times x times y here. This become to 2 multiplied with 5 over 2 multiply x and y. After this writing, you got the factor of 2. How about fractional number? 10 over 3, I will need to factorize this become to 2 multiply with another fraction. That have to be 10 over 6 here. 10 over 6. This means after simplify 2 in this position and 6 here, you got 10 over 3. But after this factorizing, I got 2 in the expression. Okay, go on for 1 over 2. This will be equal to 2 multiplied with 1 over 4. Multiply this number by 2 and then I got 2 in this factor. Okay, and now next one, 3 over 4. This will be 2 multiply with 3 over 8. Simplify 2 and 8 here, you got 4 in this number. 3 over 7, this will be equal to 2 multiply with 3 over 14. Because after simplify 2 over 14, you got over 7 in here. 5 over 11. Yeah, what is the next one? You got 2 multiply with 5 over 22 in this form. Okay, that is the way how can you factorizing the rational number become to 2 multiply with the new one. And about the expression, you got 3 over 2 times x and y, or you got 5 over 7 m here. This will become to the 3 over 4 multiply with x and y. I'm just focused on the factor of 2. And the new one will be here. You got 2 multiply with 5 over 14 multiply m. That's the same idea with factorizing at the beginning video about the completing the square. Okay, and here you got 11 over 7 multiply y. This means 2 multiply with 11 over 14 multiply y here. Yeah, that's it. And now I need to apply this technique to completing the square for this question. X squared plus 2 over 1 over 2 multiply x. How can you working with this question? Okay, the first number is unchanged and the next one about this term I need factor of 2. So I take 2 here and this one will become to 1 over 4 multiply 8. That's why I understand that the second number will be 1 over 4. This means add 1 over 4 inside the bracket, square outside, and minus 1 over 4 square immediately. And the first three terms will set up the perfect square, x plus 1 over 4 square here, and minus 1 over 16. Why you got 1 over 16 here? Because you got 1 over 4 inside the bracket, square outside for here. Okay, and this one equal to this one. The next question, x squared plus 3 over 5x. Okay, stop video right now, working on by yourself, and then play video for my solution. You have the first number is x squared, and I need the factor of 2. 3 over 5 will become to 3 over 10 multiply with x. So the next number will be 3 over 10. 2 times x, 3 over 10 plus 3 over 10 here, square outside, minus 3 over 10 and square here. And here you got x plus 3 over 10 inside the bracket, square outside, we call it perfect square, and minus 3 over 10 square. This means 9 over 100. 9 over 100. Okay, so what is the most difficult step in here? I think for this step, that is very complicated. Yeah, hope you can understand that. The next example, you got x squared 7 over 4. Okay, how can you work with this one? X squared, and I need 2. 7 over 8 will appear here and multiply x. So x squared plus 2 multiply x. 7 over 8. It means the next term will be 7 over 8 squared, and after that 7 over 8 squared outside. And then completing the square for the first 3 terms, you got this form, and simplify 7 over 8 squared, you got 49 over 64. 49 over 64. We finish this question. Continue about here, y. Okay, change letter. 2, 3 over 8 and y, and then y squared minus 2y 3 over 8 plus 3 over 8 square here, and minus 3 over 8 square one more time, and then y minus 3 over 8 and square here minus 9 over 64. You have the correct answer with me. Okay, go on for the next question. You have maybe 6 questions more before we finish this video, so let's patient. Y squared minus 3 over 5 multiply y. Y squared 2, 3 over 10 and multiply y. Y squared minus 2y multiply 3 over 10. Right now, add 3 over 10 square and minus 3 over 10 square one more time. So here you got y minus 3 over 10, and here you got square minus 9 over 10. No, 100. And about here, y squared minus 2y times 7 over 8. 7 over 8 is means 7 over 8 square will appear in this position, and right now minus itself. Okay, so first 3 term will set up the completing the square, and then minus 49 over 64. 49 over 64. Carefully about your working out. Needs so working out step by step. Every question will become more easier. And m here and m here over 9. Okay, so m squared minus 2 multiply with m 7 over 18. 7 over 18 is mean plus 7 over 18 here, and square minus 7 over 18, and then you got square in this one. Inside the bracket you got m minus 7 over 8 square, and the outside will be 49 over what? I don't know. I need my calculator. 18 square 324. Yeah, that's it. The same thing with the next question. M squared plus 2m, and here you got 4 over 18. I think so. 4 over 18, and of course you can simplify 4 over 18 become 2 over 9, but let me keep this one unchanged. 4 over 18 here, square minus 4 over 18, and then square outside, m plus 4 over 18 and square outside minus 16 over 3 to 4. And the next one we can simplify this, 2 over 9 plus m and square outside. And about this one, 16 over here, 4 over 81. 4 over 81. And this question will be my final answer. This one is my final answer for question M. Yep. Continue about the last 4 questions and go on. You got here is x squared minus 2 times x times 5 times 3. Check this out because you got 2 multiply 5 equal to 10. So because this one is an even number, I can factor 10 become to 2 times 5. And after that, I understand that the next term have to be 5 over 3 square and minus 5 over 3 square one more time in this one. And this is h minus 5 over 3 square here, 25 over 9. And go on for this question. 11 is odd number, so I cannot using the techniques from the first question in this slide. 2y multiply 11 over 8, and the next term is 11 over 8 square minus 11 over 8 and square in here. This is y plus 11 over 8 and square 121 over 64. 121 over 64. Okay, one more time, you got even number in this case for m. So 2 here, m here, this have to be 3. 3 over 5 plus 3 over 5 square minus 3 over 5 at the same time. And completing the square for this question, you got m plus 3 over 5 square minus 9 over 25. A square minus 2 times a times 9 over 8. 9 over 8 square and minus 9 over 8 at the same time. Okay, a minus 9 over 8 square and minus 81 over 64. 64 will be here. Okay, we finished this question, and I hope you can understand. Hope you can working with fractional number.